Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Facts with Boom. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today's facts are for North Camp. So let's begin. North Camp Station is on the North Downs line, just after Farnborough North and just before Ash. The station is actually in Ash, Surrey, but it takes the name from nearby North Camp area in Farnborough. It's less than half a mile, 1 kilometre, walk from Ash Vale Station, which is on the Ascot to Guildford line. The Ascot to Guildford line and the North Downs line do cross but don't have an interchange because they were constructed by two different companies who didn't see the need for an interchange. And in 2019/2020 the station was used by 0.333 million or 333,000 people. Thank you very much for listening to this episode of Facts with Boom, and remember to stay alert.